Video opens with a fast-paced montage of people using smartphones in various daily situations, communicating, taking photos, navigating, working. Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Take a look at this. Hold up a modern smartphone to the camera. This little device has completely changed the way we live, work, and connect with each other. We carry it everywhere. It holds our memories, our conversations, our entire digital lives. But have you ever stopped to wonder, how is this incredible piece of technology actually made? Where does it come from? Today, we're going on an epic journey from deep inside the earth to the palm of your hand to uncover the secrets behind how a mobile phone is born. It's a story of science, engineering, and global collaboration that's more fascinating than you could ever imagine. Let's get started. The journey begins not in a clean, futuristic factory, but deep underground. A smartphone is a treasure chest of rare and precious materials. The screen you're watching this on, it likely contains indium and tin. The battery keeping it powered, that's lithium and cobalt. Inside the complex circuitry, you'll find gold, copper, silver, and tungsten. And let's not forget the rare earth elements like neodymium, which help your phone vibrate. These materials are mined from locations all across the globe. From the lithium flats of South America to the cobalt mines in Central Africa and the rare earth deposits in Asia. Extracting these elements is a massive industrial undertaking, the very first and perhaps most rugged step in creating our sleek devices. Once these raw materials are mined and processed, they are shipped to specialized facilities around the world. This is where the magic of transformation happens. The silicon derived from common sand is purified to an incredible 99.9999% purity. It's then melted and grown into massive single crystal cylinders called ingots. These ingots are sliced into ultra-thin wafers, which are polished until they are smoother than a mirror. These shimmering silicon wafers are the foundation, the canvas upon which the most crucial part of your phone will be built, the processor. This is the brain of the operation, the component that does all the thinking. Now we enter the clean room, one of the most sterile environments on Earth. Here, engineers dressed in full-bodied bunny suits to prevent even a single speck of dust from contaminating the process begin the photolithography stage. It's like a highly advanced form of photography. The silicon wafer is coated with a light-sensitive material. Then, ultraviolet light is shown through a mask, which acts like a stencil, etching incredibly complex circuit patterns onto the wafer. This process is repeated hundreds of times, layering different materials and etching intricate pathways. We're talking about features that are thousands of times smaller than a human hair. A single wafer can contain hundreds of individual processors or chips. After months of these precise layering and etching steps, the wafer is complete. It's then tested, and each individual chip is cut from the wafer, ready to become the brain of a new phone. But a phone is more than just a brain. It needs eyes, ears, and a voice. That's where all the other components come in. A camera module, a marvel of miniature optics and sensors, is assembled separately. The vibrant display, whether it's LCD or OLED, is manufactured in another specialized facility, layering glass, polarizers, and light-emitting pixels. The battery, the speakers, the microphones, the tiny motors for haptic feedback. Each component is a product of its own sophisticated manufacturing line. Think of it like a global orchestra. Each section is practicing its part perfectly, preparing for the grand symphony of final assembly. These individual components are then shipped from all corners of the world to one final destination. This is the final assembly line, the place where all the pieces come together. It's a breathtaking dance of human skill and robotic precision. Thousands of workers, alongside highly advanced automated systems, work in perfect sync. The main logic board or motherboard acts as the central nervous system. The processor chip is carefully mounted onto it. Then, other components are added one by one. The memory, the storage, the camera modules, and the countless tiny connectors. It's like building the world's most complex 3D puzzle. The board is then carefully placed inside the phone's casing, which could be made of aluminum, glass, or plastic. Next, the screen is attached and the battery is connected. Flexible ribbon cables, a spaghetti of electronic pathways, are painstakingly plugged in to link everything together. It's incredibly delicate work. A single misplaced component or a loose connection, and the entire device won't work. Throughout this entire process, there are constant quality control checks. Automated optical inspections and human eyes scan for any defects. Every connection is tested to ensure it's secure. The phone is taking its final form, piece by intricate piece. Once the hardware is fully assembled, the phone is still just an empty shell. It needs a soul. This is where the software comes in. The phone's operating system, whether it's iOS or Android, is loaded onto its storage. This is the fundamental software that allows you to interact with the hardware. Then, the base set of applications, the phone dialer, a web browser, the camera app are all installed. The device is booted up for the first time, and it goes through a battery of automated tests. Does the screen respond to touch? Do the cameras focus correctly? Does it connect to Wi-Fi and cellular networks? Can it make a call? Every single function is checked and double-checked to ensure it meets the highest quality standards. The journey is almost complete. The finished phone is polished to perfection, and protective films are applied to the screen and back. It's then placed into its final retail packaging, along with its accessories like a charging cable and maybe a quick start guide. From there, the boxes are packed into larger cartons, loaded onto pallets, and shipped out from the factory. They travel by air and sea to distribution centers all around the world. Finally, they make their way to retail stores or are sent directly to your doorstep, ready to be unboxed. So, the next time you pick up your phone, take a moment to appreciate the incredible journey it has taken. From raw elements buried in the earth, transformed by fire and light, assembled by a global network of human and robotic hands, and infused with the software that brings it to life. It's a testament to human ingenuity and a reminder of how connected our world truly is. This device isn't just a piece of tech, it's a global story of creation, right here in the palm of your hand. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this deep dive. What part of the process surprised you the most? Let me know down in the comments. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like it, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps us out. Till next time, stay curious.